Welcome, you're watching English with Akram, and today we are going to do group discussion. And topic of our group discussion is homework should be given to students or not. So I would like to start with this group discussion with Ayan. That what does he think about homework? Should it be given or not? So, Mr. Ayan, what do you think about homework? Should it be given or not to students?
Well, I think that homework should not be given to students because you know what happens, that most of this time what happens that students are not able to get time to revise their chapters, and they also will be given homework. So how will they manage their time? And it's not all about the time and all, because we should focus on our health, or we should just give rest to our mind. But because of homework, students are not able to give rest to their
Kind
mind.
of rest you're talking about.
Like for example, we should play, means we should be fresh. But because of homework, what happens, that
So
on the time of playing,
don't
we
you
do
bath
homework.
daily?
Hmm? Yeah, I
So you're
bath.
saying you need to get fresh. Don't you bath daily?
Yeah, I bath.
So
Means we should give. Means we should play also. Like for example, listen.
Okay,
If we do just study, so our mind will be stuck on study only. We should play also, so that our mind can be.
who stops you
Fresh.
to play? Play, man.
But because of homework, we are not getting time to play.
Okay, so because of homework, we are not getting time to play. So I would go to Rayyan bhai. What does he think, sir? Please put your opinion.
Well, if I tell you about my approach, what do I think about the homework? That homework, I want to also say that homework should not be given. As if I put my opinion in different way, so as homework puts pressure on students, homework does not give time to students to so that they could do exercise the things which are necessary, which they should follow, which they should do. Because what happens, they go to school 6 hours, then they go to coachings,
See
institutes.
camera also, sir.
Okay, so and madrasas also means so on so many places they go and they study. That's why they are unable to give time to themselves.
Okay, Rayyan bhai is saying it puts pressure. Do you agree? Do you agree, sir?
Yes, of course, I agree. In my approach, also, it should not be given to the students because in a homework, we are not given the thing which can be beneficial for our life, even for our education. What is given? We have to just copy from the books. Except that we are not taught anything in homework, that how to make money, how to get confidence, how to become rich, how to just solve the problems, how to even
If it's
that-
this much useless, so it is given to students.
I don't know why it is given. It is means it is a, we can say that just because of this thing.
Don't you think that
system is
because
lacking in
of
some
this
things.
homework, students are able to do good preparation for the exam? Like teacher gives 2 chapters to learn, and because of the pressure that teacher will listen, so students, they do practice and they learn the chapter, and it helps in exam. They are able to perform well in exam.
This thing can be done only till 8th class, as far as I believe, and I have experienced this thing, that we can cram the things from the book and we will be able to get good marks. But in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, it does not happen. Life means education is not that easy. We have to focus on concept, and if we are just cramming something, so that's not called the concept learning.
Okay, give it to Junaid bhai.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You tell. What do you think about homework?
In my perception, homework shouldn't be given to students, because what happens that because of homework, students get pressure, and because of homework, students don't get time to do other things. What is happening? There are so many countries which are developed, like Finland, Japan, and Norway. So many countries are there, and
How
these
do you get to know
countries
that
are not giving.
that homework isn't given in these countries?
Means by the Google, I
Okay.
got to know.
Through
And
Google,
what-
you got to know.
Yeah, what happened that means literacy rate of Finland and Norway 100, it is 100%. However, literacy rate of India, it is 77 point something. Means there's a big difference, and they are not giving homework. We are giving homework, and we should not give homework.
We are giving or we are given homework?
Means we are given, teachers are giving homework
yes.
to students, and we are given homework. And I don't
Okay.
like homework also.
You don't like, personally you don't like?
Yeah.
Okay. So Mr. Shahid.
Okay. So, well, I think that homework should be given to students.
Should be given.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, by the way, I appreciate all of the points whatever my team members have said. has put. I really appreciate that. But I what I think that homework reinforces our learning. Homework reinforces our learning. Whatever we have learned in class, we can revise that thing. And people were mentioning about time, that students get less time for completing the homework. That is why they get some of the problems. But what I think, that if students are pressed for time, so obviously they are going to learn naturally the time management skills.
Okay, now I would like to go to Bashir Bhai. We have Big Cheese or Mustafa Bad Bashir Bhai. So what do you think about homework, Bashir Bhai?
I believe that homework should not be given.
Should
to
not be
students.
given.
Yes, sir.
Are you escaping from homework?
No, sir. I
Then-
believe that homework should not be given to students because there are some reasons.
Okay.
I would like to start from self-study. Actually, what is happening in India that teachers they are just forcing to the student to do homework. They says that after going home, make this file, complete
They
this homework.
says or they say.
They say that after going home, complete this file, do this work, that work. They are just forcing us. But if I talk about the other countries like Andro,
You
Finland,
are blaming teacher. They
no,
force
sir,
you.
I am blaming the Indian education system.
Oh yes. Okay.
And if I talk about the Finland and Norway, they have 100% literacy rate, as my brother told also. So their homework is not given.
Just only this reason is behind that literacy rate. That
No,
homework
sir.
isn't given.
No, sir. There,
Could be other reasons also.
yes, sir. There, actually, what is happening in Finland? Their teachers they force to student to do self study. They teach the benefits of self study. That by doing self study, you will understand in a better way. But it is not taught us in our schools. Why? We are living in India. That is the reason. No, here teachers they are not teaching good, and second, here education system is not good. That's all.
Okay, give mic to Danish Bhai.
Sir, in my approach, and I think that homework should not be given. Why? Because of the homework, what students are getting nowadays, diseases and problem, nothing else.
Diseases and
Diseases and
problems.
nothing else. Why? We go to school, madrasa, and tuitions as well, and we have schoolwork, tuition work, madrasa work as well, and we don't have this much time to complete the whole work of school, madrasa, and tuition. And the student,
Danish Bhai, why don't we have time? Means why don't students have time to complete the homework?
sir,
And-
6 to 7 hours we are spending in school,
Okay.
and maybe 2 or 3 hours we are spending in coaching. One or 2 hours we are spending in madrasa.
1 or 2 hours.
Hours we are spending in madrasa. So we sleep also, and we have only 5 or 6 hours for doing personal things, for doing hobbies, homework, and the other things.
Don't you think it's a good thing that teacher give chapters and student learn that, and through this they are able to prepare for the examinations?
Sir, what is the condition of our schools? They don't teach proper. They give that these are the questions and the fill in the blanks. Note down in your notebook, and these things they taught whole year. Nothing else.
Teach whole year.
They teach whole year.
Okay. So I would like to come again to Ayan Bhai. So now speak about it more.
Like homework should not be given, but I'm not saying it personally that it should not be given. Somewhere it is right, somewhere it is good for the children, but most of the time it becomes pressure or stress for the children. Like
What are the solutions?
what are the solution means?
What should be in place of homework? What should be given in place of homework by teacher?
Means what should be given
Or
place
or
of
you think
homework.
that it shouldn't be given at all? Nothing should be given at all to do at home.
Like today what happens, teachers they give homework and students they do also, but what happens that teachers they check only, they do not ask from the students that what did they learn from the homework. This is the main reason that students are not able to learn more. So I believe that teachers give some works which they should ask and from the children that what did they learn or what didn't they learn, or
Okay,
what
give
are their
mic
doubts.
to Ishan bhai. So sir, what do you think?
First of all, I would like to clear one misconception of Shahid Bhai. He said that if homework would be given to us and as it is given to us, so we learn about time management. But I don't think that we learn about time management, because in any homework, in any book till 12th class, whether you have science stream, commerce, arts, this thing is not taught to us that how to manage the time. Then how will we able to do that? That would be only making timetable. It's not called the time management. When you are able to do all the things, when everything is clear, that's called the time management, first thing. And second thing is about what we should do. Means because of homework can be the big reason. Homework is playing the big role that our education system, India's education system, is not that better. What happens in other countries, in as a homework they are to do some other activities, physical activities, like suppose they are taught about soil. So it's not like that they have to copy the paragraph about the soil. No, they have to collect the samples of the soil from
Homework which is given in Indian schools, that is wrong.
Yes, the way is
Homework
wrong.
should be given, but whatever we are given in India, that is wrong.
Yeah,
like in
the
other
way is
countries,
wrong.
like activities are given and something that is practical. Students can learn something practically. Those kind of things are given in other countries. You think that, right?
Yes, because what happens? Suppose they are taught about soil, so they don't have to copy the paragraphs about the soil from the book. No, they have to collect the samples of that soil
Okay.
to understand better. So like this, we can improve our education system. What is happening in India? That we are given file assignment. Now we have to fill 100 of the pages. Means is this useful when we are writing continuously 100 pages and teachers say it would be the revision for you, but kinder revision, I am just writing from Google or I am writing from the book 100 pages. Is this revision? Of course not.
Okay. Now I would like to ask more. First, I would go to Shahid bhai. What do you think? And do you agree with Ishan or not?
Somehow I am agree with
Somehow you agree.
somehow because on
To
the-
some
on the-
extent, you agree.
yes sir.
To some extent, you agree.
Yeah, to some extent I am agree that
I agree.
I agree with Ishan Bhai that he told us that we can copy the foreign system of giving homework. Yeah, that is also good. We can give activities, practicals, multiple things are there. We can use except of homework, but that will be also the one of the phases of homework. What will be given by a teacher. And one more thing I would like to tell about to Ishan's bhai that I did not tell that student learn time management skill. I told that students learn time management skill naturally. I did not tell that teachers teach them the lesson, the chapters about time management. I mean to say this that when students are pressed of time, they don't have time to do other activities. They take out the time. And naturally by even they don't get to know whatever they are learning, and naturally they learn the time management skills, and they see, wow, I am able to manage the
And
time.
which helps in future.
Yeah, which helps in future.
So, Rayan, I would ask a question from you that do you think that homework is punishment?
Homework means it is not means punishment. As the teacher, what do they think? Means what's their perspective to give homework? They really think that if we give homework to students, so what will happen that they will be able to reinforce their concepts, reinforce, and they will be able to consolidate their topics. That's what they think. But I think that it does not help to revise our chapters, because suppose today homework was given to me, I revised. What about the next day? Means next day new topic will be given. So like this, every day new topics, new homework will be given. There won't be any kind of revision. Revision will be done by ourselves if we are aware. So homework does not help always. Somewhere it helps. I cannot say 95%, 100%, just 40% it
Where
can.
homework is given for students' betterment. Why you all are thinking that it's a punishment, means it's a burden, it creates stress? Why?
Of course,
It's for
it creates.
But what teachers think, what our education system thinks, I mean, was the reason what I think that is behind it, that it's for students' betterment. They learn, they revise, and it helps them in examinations.
Yeah, miss, that's what I told, that as you are thinking, you are also thinking right. I cannot say that no, 100% you are wrong. You are also right. But the homework, what happens that it snatches the time of the students, that which they give to their betterment, like for their skills, the whatever they want to learn extra, they want to do something, miss others. Some students, they belong to the poor family, so miss, in a free time they go to work, they earn money. So for those students, homework is not good, sir. They cannot earn the money.
Okay. Give it to Bashir.
So I am not agree with Rayyan bhai.
I am not agree. I don't.
I don't agree with Rayyan bhai. Brother, don't you think that all the students, they are free? Even they have a sports period at their school, and after coming from school they keep playing games like Free Fire, PUBG, and out of home they play games. If they have homework, so they can complete. How much time it will take? 1 hour or 2 hour?
1 hour or
Brother,
2
but
hours.
1 hour or 2 hours, they can complete. The student who want to complete, he will complete in 1 hour also. And the second I believe that it's not a kind of burden. It's for improving their handwriting, and it's for increasing their knowledge.
Okay. I would go to Junaid bhai. That Bashir is saying that. A student who has to do homework, who wants to complete, will complete, but who doesn't want to complete, won't complete, because he'll put a lot of excuses. Like they are putting excuses. What do you think?
He is correct. I agree with him, because what happens
You
that
agree?
Yeah.
But before some minutes you
Yeah,
were
I'm
saying that
telling.
homework shouldn't be given, and now you agree with him.
yeah, homework shouldn't be given to students, because I told little bit data also. But whenever I talk about India, especially India, so in the India homework must be given, because what happens in the India that homework, if a teacher is giving homework to students, if a teacher is giving homework to students, so after the class students say, what a teacher is he, I don't like this teacher. But in other countries like Finland, Norway, what happens there that a teacher is giving homework. No, a teacher is teaching by themselves. They do homework as a self study. They do homework 2-3 times. They learn. But in our India, they don't learn. It means even
Until
they say-
teacher puts pressure on students.
even after when teacher puts pressure, so they say that what a teacher is he, I don't like, especially India. And except India, there are so many countries. In these countries, no, most of the countries, homework shouldn't be given.
So what do you think, and do you agree what he
With
said?
Junaid
That
bhai.
he said that in India, I mean, it should be given, because in India students don't do until they are put pressure. When teacher puts pressure, then students do. Otherwise, they don't do. I mean, they don't open their books at home. So because of teachers' pressure, they do study.
I
So
don't
somewhere
think.
it is good
No,
that it
I
should
don't
be given,
agree. I
as
don't
per
ag-
as per he thinks.
Yeah, I don't agree with.
And some more
his thinking.
some other things also he said, that students in India, if teach I couldn't understand that you said that students in India, if teacher gives homework, students don't like that
Criticize
teacher.
about the teacher.
So why did you say that?
Because in my class there are so many teachers. They no, some teachers give
So if
homework
students-
after the class. Teachers, students criticize teacher that he is
So-
giving homework
so-
for a teacher I don't like, and
So
they
what
say like
does
that.
it mean? Means a teacher shouldn't give homework to
No,
students.
it means that students don't want to study. Students will not do homework by themselves. Teacher is forcing after that they do.
Okay,
they try
okay,
to.
okay. Now I
Okay, as
understood.
he's telling a possibility that students criticize the teacher whenever they are given homework because they don't want to study. But as far as I think, one possibility can be there: a student who has not time, means he goes to coaching, he goes to gym, he has a lot of works at home also, and he is earning also. So that can be the reason also that he is criticizing the teacher, that when will I do my self study because of homework. And next thing, we are given homework from class nursery till 12th, but I would ask that what do we learn from there, and how teachers check that? Do teachers check just like they do the focus while checking? No. I have personal experience. in my ninth class, in my 10th class, I did work of Hindi and English only. Okay, otherwise I did not do. No one teacher forced me. They were good teachers. And what mean? How did I do? There were this much big question answers were there. So did I write whole? No. I used to skip the answers, and no one checked that. No one focused on that. What do they used to? How did they used to check? They were talking to us. They used to just tick, 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 just like they check. So do you think that's just because of these ticks and these signs of the teacher? It should be, of course not, brother. And yeah, that's it.
Okay, Danish, what would you say more about it?
I wanna say homework is not good, but the way to give homework to student, it should be good or better and better.
Homework should be given,
But the way to give to student, it should be
which
better.
way you are talking about?
Sir, if you talk out of the India, any country. So if a teacher teaching in school, in maths teacher for an example, so he's teaching math, he taught one question, and he told to the students that now rest of the question you will do.
Yourself.
Yeah, from yourself. So this is called a good homework. But if we talk about in our India, they don't do this thing. They do only one question and they give whole chapter to the students. And one more thing, teacher does that they give a date. On the date your copy will be checked. If you don't give copy, so I will complain to your parents. And because of that fear of and scare of the parents, students get problem and stress, and because of the depression he gets ill. So that's why homework should be given, but in a good way.
In a good way.
And
Which way should it be?
like in other countries, as I have told, that
I couldn't understand what did you tell in other country how homework is given. I mean, say
means sir, practicals should be take place, and the way
should take place.
should take place, and the other things which India doesn't do, that they by the practicals where that they are telling about, they are teaching about the iron, gold. So by the practical base they teach, but in
They
our
should
India they teach by the theories, and the theories not somewhere it is not helpful for us.
Okay, so now who wants to speak? All want to speak.
Yes,
It would be last turn. It would be last turn. Okay. So it would be go like this.
Everything have two kind of faces, good and bad. In starting I mentioned about that homework is bad, but as well as it is good, but in limit. Like we can see, as my brother Danish Bhai told us, that it should be in a limit. There should be practicals. So I believe that there must be practicals, but the actually teachers, they show the practical. They don't say to student that you can do. Most of the student now, they will say that because they can get ill, they can get injuries. So if teachers, they will tell them that do mix this mixture like this, so student, they will not get injuries and they will understand in a better way. That's it.
Some are saying that homework should be given. There should be good way to give homework, like practical should be given. Means there should be different way to give homework. But I want to say there should not be homework. Whether that is good way or right way to give homework. Because what happens, like if I give you my idea, what do I think? That students should be taught at school effectively. Means there should not be any kind of the tiny things which should be left by the teachers. Students should be taught effectively. Everything should be done by students at school. Like teacher taught any question or any subject, any practical, any concept. At once, student, they means teacher should say that at once, just now, right now, you are to complete this concept. It means rest of the time they should live their life. They should live the world life. Means what is actual the life. That's
Okay. Mm. So as my brother said that homework should not be given. There should be a good way, or we can do better. But what I think, and Danish bhai also said that the way homework is given right now, it is not good, and it is the pressure, as people said that, and a lot of homework teachers give. But what I think, it is not, they don't give a lot of homework, they they give tiny homeworks, but we make that work burden. If we don't complete our homework, so obviously it is going to be a burden for us, and after that we are going to face a lot of problems. And now one more point I would like to add here, that is, homework teach us, trains us for future responsibilities, because the homework we are completing right now, we don't know the benefit of those things. We don't know that what we are going to get from this thing. And now, and when we are going to do any kind of job in a future, definitely there, that time we will be responsible for our work. We will be responsible, and we will complete our work on time. We won't make excuses to do that. I don't want to this, my boss is bad.
So, Mr. Ryan.
Like Bashir bhai mentioned that students who want to do homework, they will do, but who don't want to do homework, they will make excuses. But I don't think like this, because who are doing homework, they are wasting their time, and who are not doing homework, they are saving their time. Because the time which they are wasting on the homework, they should give that time to the self study. Like for example, Ryan, he did not do any single work of any subject, but he is topper of class. It means, I don't think that homework affects on the students, that if it is given, so we will become more better.
Not do.
It is just
He didn't do homework.
No, he didn't used to do, I didn't used to do.
Didn't teach us anything to him.
No, means teachers didn't used to focus that students are doing work or not.
Your teacher will watch this video.
Not only I am saying this
He'll
thing,
catch you.
not only I am saying this thing, that we should not be given homework, because
I'll send link to him.
means teachers are also saying, like I asked from my teachers that why are we given homework, he said just for wasting time. We should also don't want to give you homework, but we have to give you because this is a rule. That's why we have to give you. Teachers are saying this thing, so that's why it will be bad for us.
Okay, I just want to say one thing at last. As I tried to prove that homework should not be given, and I'm still saying that it should not be given, because what is happening in India, because of with students, just because of homework, just because of copying the things, a student is given, he is forced to do the homework. When a student is not able to complete the homework, so he is beaten. And to protect himself from getting beaten, a student starts pretending, starts making abusing, and or starts lying that I was ill or I had to go
He
somewhere.
gets used to lying.
Yeah,
I agree.
people means students learn this thing from school. In school we go to get education, not for learning the how to lie, how to just pretend, how to make excuses. As far as I know, we are learning this thing from the school. And in the end, what happens, if there is a teacher who is serious about study, he keeps on giving the homework. That's not fault of teacher also, but a student who has not time in his daily ways, he starts hating the teacher. And then in the end, what happens, the image which a teacher should have in for all the students is not, and it happens mostly. That's it.
Okay, give it to Junaid. Junaid bhai, I want to know, today you're looking upset. What happened?
I'm not looking up. No,
Homework.
no, I'm disagree with him. He spoke that who are doing homework, they are wasting their time, and who are not doing homework, they are better. He gave example of Rayyan. So brother, I would like to say, in our section there were a lot of students. They all were bad. But if I talk about section A, a person, a topper of section A, he got 90%. So brother, that's cool. They are doing homework as well as they are doing self-study. We should do homework, because what happens, homework gives benefits. Self-study.
Ryan is not a good student.
Rayyan is good student. He didn't do homework. That's why he got that much. But if he he did
he had
homework.
done, he would have gotten
he had
more.
done.
You mean that?
Like section A students, they do whole homework as well as they do self study. Both things we should do so that we can get better
I
marks.
couldn't understand that initially. Means when you started first turn, when in first turn you spoke that homework should be given, and suddenly what happened to you that you started speaking that should be given? Then how did you
Because I
change,
was
and
thinking-
what made you change your opinion about homework?
First, sir, I don't like homework, but whenever I think about
Personally, you don't
personally,
like.
I don't like. But if I talk about Indian students,
Okay.
so for them, homework must be given.
Okay, now we would like to.
You are also.
Where is he from?
Yeah, he's from India, and that's why he's saying that we are from India. We should be given homework.
Like me,
if
I
we are
don't-
not given homework, we will not do self study and all. And
Yeah.
anything we won't do at home, we won't open our registers. So now we would like to end our debate here, and hopefully. It would be informative, and I would say that now I put it on you that what do you think about the homework should be given or shouldn't be given? What do you think? Put it and write it in the comment. And thank you so much for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll come with the new video soon, inshallah.